different number kusebenzisa Supamoto, I think 5 years ago.
Masha black nze too costly, too heavy, yaenza kuti dwalika futi. Kuri carbon monoxide yamene machoka tenzo dwala mini.
It's very cheap, it's affordable. Everyone can afford to buy the Supamoto stove.
Vakuletela ka Supamoto kaja, vakakuletela vakuonesa na mokasebenzesela. Kakafa vabwela vakulungisira for free.
If you look at the bag of the black charcoal, I would say it's ×2 the money that we pay for just the 50 kg bag of pellets.
It tastes so good. I don't know, maybe it could be the heat of the Supamoto, you know. It tastes so nice.
Voyamba using a stove ya malaita, silifaka kona nziru. Vose chave tipikira breakfast, lunch, supper. Using a check Supamoto.
The cooking is very fast.
If I lit a Supamoto, less than 10 minutes, water will be ready for me.
Kula mapaleti pa phone chintu chopepuka maningi. Then ukatuma vashita inform kuja kuti nagula mapaleti vakulete. So ni chintu chopepuka maningi.
I mean, if they're not using Supamoto, I don't know what they are using, because we even forgot about the black charcoal. We are using Supamoto, we've been using Supamoto and we've never looked back.
We love Supamoto!
In my life, I will never change. I love Supamoto. It's done wonders.